Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So you guys, today's video is something that I have been really working on for a while, and people have been asking me a lot of questions on my infamous nude lippy combos. Okay, I have been doing a lot of nude lips this summer. I used to love wearing red shades, which I still love, but it's just something about a nice pop of a nude that just makes your outfit look cute, makes your makeup look cute. Okay, nude baby. But you guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you about 6 or 7 different types of nude lippy and gloss combinations that are my favorite, and let you guys into my little nude lippy secrets. Okay, but before we get started into this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, turn it to gray. We do not want the button to still be red right now, especially if you have been watching multiple of my videos. Okay, let's subscribe right now. It is $3.99. okay, click that bell button so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and also follow me on Instagram at my natural high. So let's get started into this good old nude lip combo. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my lip right now because we need to start on a fresh slate. Okay you guys, so my lips are nice and clean, nice and bare, nothing on them. So the first lip combo is one of my actual new combos. It's technically not even a combo because it's just one product, but it's a new lippy from Lip Bar, the Lip Bar, which is a black owned cosmetic brand, which I love. So this lippy is called Girl Boss, and this is actually available on their website as well as Target.com. I actually got this from Target, but this is a super duper cute mauve nude, pinkish nude, beautiful. So this is my first nude lippy, and this is the Lip Bar, the color Girl Boss. I really like this. If you do want like a pop-up shimmer with a little bit of pinky nude, this is for you, and black on. Period. So the second nude lippy combination also features the Lip Bar, and this is actually a lip pencil. This is the Lip Bar, the color Straight Livin. Now I will be using this color throughout the video as a lip liner because it's one of my favorite lip liners. And then I'm also going to be using the gloss. This is a Camille Rose gloss, and this is in the color Slay. Guys, so this is one of my actual darker nudes. I don't know why it's actually showing up more like a reddish pink on camera, but it's more of a dark mauve. But I love this one. Okay, so the next lip combo also features the Lip Bar lip pencil in the color Straight Livin, and I still actually have some around here because I didn't wipe it off. And then we have the Loreal Color Rich Shine, and this is the Glossy Fawn, I don't know, but I will put it on the screen, and it's also in the color 900. Can't even talk. So these are the two products, and this is the shade right here. Gorgeous. So you guys, so I love this lippy. This is a very light nude. Not too light for my skin tone, because you know we need it to blend in with the melanin, sis, okay? So I like this just because it's not too bright, and the lip liner actually kind of calms it down, and then when you blend it real nice, it's perfect. So the next combo, this is just a lippie by itself, and this is a lipstick called Mischievous, and this is from Ulta Beauty. So that's what the color is looking like right here and right there. Just a super duper cute pink. So we're not going to use no liner at all. So this looked like a very cute Barbie pink, not super duper Barbie looking like crackhead lips or nothing like that, but it's just enough pink, just enough mauve, just enough nudiness, and it blends really well with my melanin. Okay, that is that. Next lippie. All right, you guys, so the next one, we're gonna bring back the lippie, and like I said, this is the lip bar, the straight Livin in like a dark brown. And then I have my Fenty gloss. Now do not talk about how my top look, okay? I know it's a little raggedy, but the gloss is what's important. So this is the gloss bomb in the color Hot Chocolate. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. So I love this glossy nude. I have been in love with glosses lately, and this is just the perfect amount of gloss and just a nice hint of the chocolate on my lips, and then with my lips being pink and all, that just enhances like the nude look anyway. So for my next combo, this is actually one of my favorite combos that people always compliment me on, okay? This is a 3-part combo. I don't really need 3 parts, but I just like to use that. So I'm going to be using the lip bar, the straight Livin lip liner. Now I really line my lips. And then I also have the lip bar. This is the lip gloss called Trophy Wife. I love it just because it's a nice, kind of like a champagne-ish color, but it has a nice gloss to it. So that's that. And just to top it all off, I actually do add another layer of the Fenty Beauty, the Fenty gloss bomb. This is in the color Fussy, and I have spoke about this combo so many times on my Insta story. And it just brings like just an extra actionness inside with the pink. So this is actually one of my favorite. This is my baby right here, okay? I love this lip combo. I love it, don't you see, baby? I love it, baby. So you guys, so the final and last lip combo, also featuring this lip liner. I keep forgetting what it's called, Jesus. This lip liner, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this Fenty Beauty. This is the Mademoiselle, I believe, lipstick, and this is in the color Thicc. And it's gonna make my lips look thick. They already look like, but. So this is a super duper cute mauve color, and I actually did a huge review on multiple shades of the Mademoiselle lipsticks. So you guys, so that is my last lippie, and if you do want to actually add a gloss, I would highly suggest adding the Fenty Beauty Fussy, which is the gloss bomb, and that will be a nice top layer onto this look. So let's just go ahead and do that now. I love me a good gloss. Ooh, child. As they say on TikTok, ooh, chile. So that is what my lip look like with the gloss on top. I feel like a gloss just always just makes it better. You can never go wrong with a gloss. So you guys, so I hope you actually did enjoy my good old nude lip combos, my 7 lip combos that I showed you guys today. and I love them so much. These are my favorite lip combos that I have been wearing all throughout the summertime. You can wear them throughout the winter time, the springtime, the fall time. I feel like nude is all year round for me at least. So I hope you actually did enjoy this good little video, and if you did, sis, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you have not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below, turn it gray, join the Tam Kam fam, hit that bell button so you can be notified every time when I post a new video, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye guys.